as you can see, we've got a bunch of spices and fresh ingredients here, but we're not going to be using any of those. We're going with the Flamin Hot Fries. And for this recipe, you'll also need eggs, milk, and some flour. And definitely don't forget the fish. First, you're going to have to go out and catch that. We caught this fresh walleye in our last video. Be sure to watch that if you haven't already. Next, you're going to spread that out on a plate, and then you may be tempted to break through it like a Zen garden. I'll be using a half cup of the flour for this recipe, about 2 tablespoons of milk. You really don't even need to measure, it's just a splash or two. And 1 egg. The egg will go into one of our bowls. Try not to get that much shell in there. The egg goes into one of our bowls along with the milk. And we're just going to whisk that together a little bit. We want the flour in our other bowl. It's actually going to go at the front of the production line here. Flour, egg wash, coating. So we're going to take our fish, go into the flour with it, toss it in there. Evenly coat it. Evenly coat it. Let any excess drip. Just a little bit. And then onto our lovely bed of Flamin Hot Cheetos. From here, we're going to go right into the air fryer with it. Set the timer for 10 to 12 minutes and temp for 400. Should be good. That actually looks really good. It If you can see, got a nice flakiness and texture to the meat. Nice crisp on the outside. We're gonna get this on a plate and give you guys a taste test. We're gonna go in for a bite of this. Great texture. Fish is perfectly done. That is excellent. I would do that with any fish, any day of the week. That's amazing.
Well, there's my plate. The best part by far was the cheeks. If you've never had walleye cheeks this way, I definitely suggest you give it a try.